This video will guide you through 8 steps needed to create effective terms and conditions. Drafting terms and conditions is one of the most widely requested projects on the Contracts Council marketplace since they are essential for businesses. So, if you are planning to create terms and conditions for your business, this video is for you. We will cover 1. The purpose of terms and conditions. 2. Key terms to include in your terms and conditions. 3. The 8 steps to follow in order to write your terms and conditions. Now let's get started. Purpose of terms and conditions. Terms and conditions serve as a legally binding agreement between your business and your customers. They outline the rights and responsibilities of both parties and provide important information about how your products or services can be used. Having solid terms and conditions in place may help limit future business disputes with your customers. What to include in terms and conditions? There are common terms used in terms and conditions you should know. Here are some common clauses you will find. 1. Definitions clause. The definitions clause takes any commonly used terms throughout your terms and conditions and defines them to make it clear to your customer what these words mean. 2. Payment terms. Your payment terms will outline what your service or products cost, how your customers will pay, and any refund policies. 3. Limitation of liability. This states the extent at which your business is liable for any issues that arise from the product or service. 4. Intellectual property rights. These rights state that your business owns the IP, which may include trademarks, copyrights, trade names, or patents. 5. Termination. The termination clause will outline how a customer or business may end the contract and include any notice period that may be required. 6. Governing law and dispute resolution. This section outlines which state laws govern the terms and conditions and how the parties can handle a dispute. 8 steps to writing terms and conditions. Here is a list of 8 steps you can follow to draft your terms and conditions for your business. 1. Review commonly used clauses. Review the commonly used clauses discussed earlier in this video or find a template online to use as a reference. Then you want to determine what clauses you want to include in your terms and conditions. 2. Identify key business information. Next, identify the key information you want to include in your terms and conditions. This may include details about payment, delivery, refunds, warranties, and any other relevant policies. 3. Use clear language. When writing terms and conditions, it is critical to use clear and concise language that your customers understand. Avoid using complex legal language or technical terms. 4. Organize content. Once you've written your clauses, organize them so that they are user-friendly and logical. For example, you likely want to have your payment terms appear before your termination clause. 5. Include applicable laws. Be sure to incorporate any applicable laws and regulations that govern your industry or business activities. Note, this may require doing some research. 6. Consider seeking legal advice. If you are unsure about anything, consider using Contracts Council's platform to seek advice from an experienced lawyer. 7. Review and revise. Once you've drafted your terms and conditions, review and revise them to make the language clearer and confirm you have included everything needed. 8. Make available to customers. Create a standalone document or add your terms and conditions to your website. They should be made easily available to your customers. In conclusion, writing terms and conditions for your business is a vital step in protecting your business. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to visit www.contractscouncil.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.